Hey guys, it's me and today I am back with another video. This is my last video in Saudi Arabia. So without further ado, let's get on with this video. Passing through, you can say, a desert. Reached the mall. Now I am going to show you people one of the entrances of the mall. There are a lot of entrances of the mall, but we are going to enter from this gate because we parked the car in front of this gate. Just entered the mall. As you people can see, this is one of the mall of the Arabian centers. The mall is very big and it has like a numerous amount of shops in it. Just came here for window shopping as I packed all of my stuff moving back to our country in, like, you can say, one day. So all the stuff is packed. And so this is Gap and Gap for kids. Then like there are so many shops. So I'm just going to show you people around the mall, the shops and cafes, but as I didn't shop much, just brought few things which I can put in my hand carry because the suitcases are all loaded. Then I found these very cute and beautiful earrings, masks, glasses and bracelets, anklets, etc. This was a really beautiful stall with very cute jewelry. These are necklaces, earrings, bracelets. As people can see, watches were also there and beautiful. I love rings, so I had to capture rings, and there were like multiple designs of rings available at this stall. Cute things, rings. They were like very shiny. These were one piece earring. Then there were a lot of shops with a lot of beautiful clothes. I couldn't record all of the clothes and all of the shops of the mall, so I'm just showing you people few which I recorded. This was like jewelry shop and this was Zara. Then I'm showing you people the ceiling of the mall and the little decorations they had made in the mall with artificial flowers, plants and the waterfalls. They are not like waterfalls, like water fountains, small water fountains. And this is a cafe. Dine-in was not allowed due to corona, so it's only takeaway. And so yeah, so this was the situation. And then there were again shops of bags. Like here in like one mall you can get everything, but this mall didn't have a grocery store. But other than grocery store, everything was available under one roof of this mall. And then comes shoes, bags. There were multiple shops of shoes and bags as well. The artificial trees and plants. Now I am moving to a shop which is called Call of the Spring. You people can see it's in the corner, but first I'm going to show you people the other side and then I'm going to go into the shop. So now we have reached Call It Spring. Here I love the shoes here. They are like very comfortable. You can say modern heels. You people can get every kind of shoes in this like store. When you come to this shop, you people actually like enjoy the shoes available here. All transparent texture shoes were available. Then comes the few cafes. Actually there were a lot of cafes, but I am going to show you people few cafes. Like this was Paul. It was beautifully decorated, but as I told you, no indoor dining is allowed, so everything was like empty. I don't like chocolate, but if you people like chocolate, this place is the best for eating it. This is also one of my favorite shop. And then I entered Center Point. This is also one of the store in which you people can say everything is there, from clothes, shoes, bags, accessories, toys. Everything is there under one shop. One of the part of this shoe section and bags. Then comes the clothes for boys. Then here there were like costumes, Halloween costumes or party costumes, police, doctor, etc. And this was the bowling area on the left. Then pharmacy and food trucks. Now this is the second floor of the mall, and then this is one of the food truck that was there. This was the shop of jewelry of newborn girls, and here was the play area. and then there are shops, different kinds of shops of different countries. You people can say everything was available here. At the end, if you people like, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for new videos every Saturday. Bye.